Hey everyone, do you need a single way to let clients book time with you without endless back and forth emails? In this video, I will show you how to set up simplybook.me step by step so you can start taking appointments online today. So first of all, you have to just go to Google and search for simplybook.com, .me, and then on the top right side corner, you have to click on sign up. So before moving forward, let's go and check out the pricing here. The pricing you can see here, there are 4 plans right now, and we can obviously use it for free, but it includes only 50 and 50 bookings, and there's a very limited resources and features. So once you're convinced, let's go and try the free version, and then you can come back and buy this. Now click on start free trial. We can use 14 days free trial. There's a no credit card required right now. Now simply you have to just give your company name. So I will just write here my company name here, then you have to give your work phone number, and here please choose your business category. So here let's say I work in education or retail or something like that. Let's say it is in beauty and wellness, so same way you have to choose your category. Then here you have to add your address and click on continue. Now here you have to enter your name and here your working email, and this is the password. Click on I agree, and if you want to subscribe of their emails, then you can, but I'm not going to do it. And click on I'm not a robot, and then just go and click on sign up now. Now our website is getting created. We have to just wait here. Now we have to verify our email. Once you have made your account, Simplybook is going to ask you how do you want your clients to book your service. So it will give you two choices. The first one is I want to use simplybook.me booking website. The second one is I have my own website and I want to embed a simplybook.me booking widget there. If you want to go with this, you can just go and click on continue. If you want to try both, you can just go and click on continue. So just to show you, I'm going to try both here. Now here this is company working hours. So here on which date you are available, on which day you are not, so you can just turn this off. By default it is turned off on Saturday and Sunday, but you can also turn it on. If there's a lunch break, you can just put a lunch break here. You can just for example, I can add a lunch break right in this way. And for example, if you want to copy this schedule, you can copy that complete schedule here. So it's completely up to you. Right, now once you're done, just go and click on save and continue. Now here, create your providers. So maximum you can add 4 or 5 providers. You can then and more with the paid subscribers, I think. So yeah, so you can just simply add your providers. Let me show you. So for example, here I will add John, number of clients of the same time. So I think it's around 4, and just go and click on second, and then here you can add your second provider, right? And once you're done with it, just go and click on continue. What's a service name? So here you can just write, just for example, I'll write here skincare. What's the duration? Let's say it's 2 hours. What's the price? So it's around $500, and here you can change your currency, right, however you want. So just for example, I'm going to use USD, right? And here it will give you, Simplybook will give you some of the choices which you can select. For example, you give facial, so I can just choose your facial, but obviously I can edit it if I want. You can add the duration, you can add the cost, right? Pretty simple to do. And once you're done, just go and click on continue, right? By the way, you can change it later. You can add whatever you want to add it later. It's fine. Now here, please select your favorite look. So how it's going to look like. So it will just give you some of the templates and themes. I like this one, so I'm just going to use this one here. Now choose hot pink and just go and click on submit. You can check out how it's look in the second page, and you can customize it however you want. So for example, I can change my company title, right? And whatever I'm going to write it is going to show up here. So it's completely up to you. You can add your description. By the way, it's fine. Even though if you don't want to add it right now, you can later change it. So you will have a complete freedom to do this. Now you can change your color code and everything. Now let's go and click on submit. Now here, and once you're done with it, so here is it say hooray, you are good to go. Now let's go and click on setting if you want to change something. So let's go to the setting here. Now if you want to check out how your website look like, click on here, or you can, this is the dashboard. So we are going to use this dashboard here, and on the left side you will find a lot of stuff. So for example, this is main dashboard, so it will show you everything, right? So it will show you how you can change and how you can use it. right? How many bookings you have got, and everything what is happening inside your dashboard, what is happening technically, what is happening in your company, how many bookings you did, whether you want to, if you want to view it, just go and click on view. It will redirect to a new page, and from here you can just check each and everything, right? Now here it's workload this week, there's a revenue, and as you can see here, so you just need to invest more time, and it will give you every stat. For example, you can filter this out monthly, yearly, this is revenue, and your popular providers, the clients, right? Everything. So welcome is like a book, so the book of simply book. So how to use simply book, you can use it by checking on welcome, right? So I'm going to skip it for now. This is calendar. By the way, you can also download Simplybook application, so you can be pretty much updated. So you don't need to just open your laptop again and again or desktop. So you can simply use your phone. Now, how many appointments you are doing, you can just do it from here. You can even export it. So these are the booking channels. So this is one of my website. So let me take you to our website, which we just made in this tutorial, which you can see here, right? So my customers can come up here, and here they can check out the location, the reviews and everything, right? And they will get a complete information about us. They can call on this number, right? This temporary number, by the way, is not a real one. Our location and the email is, everything is given there. So pretty much sorted here. Now all the transaction will show up here, right? This is a marketing suite. So yes, Simplybook give you an option to market. So let's see here, and I will show you something. So here you can see you can connect with Meta, that is Facebook and Instagram, your Google Business Suite, and this is other social medias and Instagram photo sharing, and especially Google reviews. That is very important, I think so. Now there are more marketing tools, so depend on what kind of you want to use. So just for example, let's say if I want to turn this on, so I will just turn this on. It will give me an option to manage. So simply I will just go to manage. Then we have to integrate. We have to sign in into our Google account, as you can see here right now. So every application, every marketing suite has their own way to integrate. So if you just go and turn on this Facebook and Instagram, then you have to enter your Facebook ID, and simply you have to follow this procedure what they ask you to do so, and you will able to connect it. So as you can see here, we got connected, and as you can see here, Google My Business, and I can just update everything here. Now this is manage. So here, as I told you while making this video, that you can later add more services. You can add more services, remove them, you can hide them, you can change them, whatever you want. So it's completely up to you. This is reports. By the way, let me explain. In the manage, here comes service providers, right? You can also edit some information about your client. You can add your client, you can remove your client, right? To add it, simply just go and click on add new client from here. You can also import from your CSV Excel file here, and at the same time you can just go and click on the users and how many users they are into your system. So right now I'm the only one. So if you have a big team, you can give access of specific features, right? And they can help you to make it, right? So that is pretty simple thing. Now this is report. So obviously you would need report for the tax filing, and just to check whether you're profitable or not and how much money you are making, right? So this is where the reports come in. How many transactions you did, how many sales you did, how many booking details, what's the payment, and your customers paid through which payment gateway, how many customers came from your website, how many customers came directly. So you can check everything, how much money you spent on marketing, right? And how many people, how many customers came from marketing. This is payments. Obviously, while giving service to your customers, you would need a payment transaction, a payment method, how you are going to accept money. So this is where it's come. So here, just go and click on payment processes. It will redirect to your new link here, and you can just edit everything from here, right? So let's say you want to activate PayPal, so you can activate it. You can also do this pay later. Stripe is pretty much popular, right? And there's a two checkout. So depend on which country you are and which payment gateway you want to turn it on, you can turn it on, right? So that is pretty much simple. And we have one more option, that is basically transactions. So it will show up all the transaction you did through the payment gateways, so you can check it directly from here, right? And every information regarding the payments will be show up in the payment section. So you can come back here, you can create payment requests, you can export, and you can do whatever you want. Now this is custom feature. So obviously, no matter how much Simplybook try to just give features, but some professions, some businesses have their own custom features. So you can ask them for the custom features. For example, some of them are available here. That is the intake form. So you can create a form. If your branches are available in different location, but you want to manage it through one account, one Simplybook, so you can turn it on. There's service category, there's a photo gallery, right? Instagram photo sharing. So all this stuff is available. And as you can see here, it's more and more. If I just go and explain each and every section, then this video will going to be 4 or 5 hours long. So I will stick to the main stuff here. You can come back and let me know in the comment box if you want something. This is settings, so you can edit your company information and some basic settings features which you need, right? So here you can add some more information. You can change your address, right? Your company opening hours and your design settings. If you want to change your website, so you can do it from here, right? So settings give you all these features, how it's look over desktop, and you can add your own logo, banner image, and everything. So this is where you will get the complete freedom. You can also change your template. All of these templates are completely integrated in your free plan as well as in the paid plan. Now this is pay plans and services. If you want to upgrade your account, you can do it from here, right? So let's go to the subscription and you can just upgrade it, and here you can upgrade it. So this was the end of this video. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe.